Welcome to Let Me Fix This. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will show you how to buy and send Bitcoin through Coinbase. First, you will need to set up your free Coinbase account. Simply use your email address to register, then follow the prompts to verify your identity. This usually involves providing some basic personal details. Once verified, link a payment method, such as a bank account or a debit card, to fund your purchases. This initial setup is quick and straightforward, getting you ready for your first Bitcoin transaction. Now that your account is ready, let's buy some Bitcoin. Open the Coinbase app and find the Buy/Sell section. From there, select Bitcoin from the list of available cryptocurrencies. Enter the specific amount you wish to purchase, perhaps $50 or $100 worth. Review your order details carefully, then confirm the transaction. Coinbase makes this process very secure, ensuring your purchase is completed smoothly and efficiently. Sending Bitcoin to another person is just as easy. Head over to the Send/Receive tab in your Coinbase account. Choose the option to send Bitcoin. This is a critical step. You will need to accurately enter the recipient's Bitcoin wallet address. Double-check every character to avoid errors. Then, specify the exact amount of Bitcoin you intend to transfer, for example, 0.001 Bitcoin. Accuracy here is key for a successful transfer. Before you finalize sending your Bitcoin, always take a moment to review all the transaction details. This includes the recipient's address and the amount. You will also see any associated network fees, which are typically a small fraction of $1, ensuring transparency. Once you are completely satisfied with everything, confirm the transaction. Your Bitcoin will then be sent, usually arriving at its destination within minutes, depending on network congestion.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.